Good morning, students. Today we will learn about past tense. So, in our earlier class, we have learned that how to fill in the blanks of verb in present tenses. Now we will learn about past tense. So, the first type of past tense is simple past tense. So it is about action completed in the past or about past habit. So look at the first sentence. I eat cake yesterday. So this yesterday is our clue that this action completed yesterday. So we will use second form of the verb. I ate cake yesterday. Let's look at the second sentence. She dash leave school last year. So it may be year or month maybe also. So she left. We know that second form of verb leave is left. Unlike simple present tense, nothing is added with verb in case of third person singular, that is he, she, it. Look at next sentence. I dash received this letter a week ago. From week ago, we are clear that this thing happened in past. So we will fill I received this letter a week ago. He dash teach English in Ambala. He taught English in Ambala. So from this place, we come to know that something has happened in the past. Our next type of tense is past continuous tense. It is an action going on at some time in the past. So the light go out while I dash read. The light went out while I was reading. So something happened and simultaneously something was going on at that point of time. Look at next sentence. He dash play chess when I dash see him. So he was playing chess when I saw him. So it is clear from here. Our next type of tense is past perfect tense. In past perfect tense, there are two events, and the first event has happened earlier than the second. So look at this sentence. The patient died before the doctor came. So the patient had died, we will fill had died before the doctor came. This word before is also a clue for you. If you see the word before, that means the first part mentioned before word has happened first, and the second part, which is the word of before, happened later. So as I have told you, we will use had plus third form that will denote past perfect tense for the event which happened earlier. So in this sentence, the patient had died. So this event occurred earlier. Then the doctor came. Look at next sentence. When I dash reached the station, the train started. It means जब मैं स्टेशन पे पहुंचा तो ट्रेन स्टार्ट हो चुकी थी. So we will fill when I reached the station, the train had started. Means the first action was the train had started. Sometimes the word after is also used. So as I have told you about the word before, if you notice the word before in this kind of sentences, always use had plus third form before, means in first part. If you notice word after, then use had plus third form in the second part. They started for picnic after I had reached their home. So here in this sentence I used after. So had plus third form occurred in the second part. Now look at the last variety of the past tense, that is past perfect continuous tense. Here also since or for are used. In present perfect continuous, I told that for is used for amount of time or quantum of time, you can say, and since is used for duration, for point of time. Here in this sentence also, you have to consider any sentence in present tense since until there is not given any clue about the tense. In past perfect continuous tense, look at the sentence. In 1995, Anand Dash teach there for 5 years. So from this 1995, we come to know that this sentence belongs to past, as 1995 year was in past. So what we have to use is in 1995 Anand had been teaching there for 5 years. If this in 1995 is not there in this same sentence, we would use Anand has been teaching. Then this sentence goes to present. It is this 1995 which is making this sentence belong to past. So we will give a cursory revision what we have learned in this session is in simple present tense what we had learned. There is a time given like yesterday, last year, then we would use second form of the verb. In past continuous tense, uh, an action going at some time in the past. Something happened in the past and at that time something was going on. Like the light went out while I was reading. So when light went out, what action was going on? Reading. In past perfect tense, there are two events. The events which happened earlier, then we will use had plus third form with that part of sentence. The event which occurred later, we will simply use second form of the word as in simple past tense. In past perfect continuous tense, until it is not given or a clause is not given that the sentence belongs to past, we will consider it present. Here in this sentence, the year 1995 belongs to past. That is why we have used had been teaching. So, thank you very much, students. Have a nice day.